clean this coffee maker. Lagging. Two bunnies here. Two bunnies this morning. What you doing, guys? Having a little breakfast. I won't disturb your breakfast. Get lots of rabbits back there. Oh, he's taking off. This one here loves that football. I won't move your football. Good to see you. He's not very afraid. He always sticks around a little longer than the rest. Close to his football. Someone left this sailboat in the street here. Maybe they were putting it out with their garbage. Yeah, it's a sailboat. What's up, everybody? Mr. Thrasha here. Today we're doing something a little bit differently. You can tell by the title. This is Food Truck Wars. We're gonna take a food truck and then we're gonna compare it to another food truck because there's quite a few wicked food trucks here in town. So we're gonna start with Crave Tacos and Smokin R&Rs. I'm gonna head over to Crave Tacos right now. So not exactly sure how I want to do this. I don't know if we're gonna pick a winner and have the winner move on to the next round, or just pick two different trucks every time. All right, so I'm gonna head over here to Crave Tacos first. Return to Crave Tacos. Got myself 3 shrimp tacos, bit of an upgrade there. Put a little beef in there too. So we're gonna stop here first, then we're gonna head up to Smokin R&Rs. Gotta wait for mine to be called. I am number 4. This will beep when it's time. Also gotta grab my drink from over here. Shrimp tacos. I know they're good here. Already purchased my water. I can pick any drink, but just going with the all healthy Pure Life water. Me and Scott on tape were reminiscing quite a bit in Los Angeles outside of where there used to be a phone booth outside of the Viper Room. And Scott says there's not, you don't ever see these around, but the truth is, Scott, there are a ton around Ottawa. These Bell phone booths with the phone still in operation. This still works. Still works. Even still has the dirty old phone book. It's been sitting here for decades. These booths always remind me of not only the film Phone Booth, which wasn't too bad, but Adventures in Babysitting. Scott knows what I'm talking about. The homeless guys. Get out of my house! I don't know about Toronto. Only Scott can attest to how many you find in Toronto, but there's one right here outside of Crave. That onions, tomato, watermelon. Oh my God, fresh shrimp. It's gonna be messy and delicious. Let's get a grip on one of these suckers. Look at that. I really like the way they do their shell here. These seem a lot bigger than last time. Look at that. As usual, should have brought a bath towel to eat. Great ingredients, very fresh, very well prepared. Look at that fresh shrimp in there. They're pretty filling. I should have maybe only opted for 2. Very good though. You can't go wrong. I knew I couldn't, which is why I purchased the shrimp taco. Look at these packed suckers. Pretty impressive. Definitely cannot go wrong with the Crave. Can't get over how fresh the ingredients all are. It's very good. Always a 10 out of 10 with Crave. Or how we're gonna do up the way at Smokin R&Rs. more look at the Crave Tacos here. This fucking thing is unbelievable. Another truck here just off Main Street. Voted best poutine Kingston 2018. They got all kinds of good stuff here. Great establishment. Fresh cut fries, award-winning poutines, smoking pork, fresh Atlantic salmon, smoking bison, smoking beef. Smoking. Oh, a shark up there.
So we got 3 poutines.
Okay, here at Smokin R&R's. Smokin R&R's BBQ. Love this place. Award-winning poutines of the plenty. Ask what the boys are smoking today. I already asked, and I already ordered myself a lobster poutine. First time ever for me. You can also get a bison, a vegetarian, loaded baked potato, regular poutine. I'm going with lobster.
Probably about a week and a half ago.
Now it's a real cock shed.
And that was a real cock shed.
Got Mr. Piggy up here.
Yeah, his name is Ham Solo, voted by the...
Ham Solo.
Yeah, voted by the lovely Stiff Vegas.
I love it. Ham Solo. We got Ham Solo.
Yeah. Then we got our cock shed.
And the cock shed.
Calling him Mr. Mike Cock.
Mr. Mike Cock. Okay. Look at this. Hide and seek world champion. Bigfoot. Not Big the Foot, but Bigfoot. Old relic. Bell. Look at that. That old bell. Old rusted bell there. Old rusted cowbell. I like that wooden cutout there. That is cool. And they got all their award forks here. North Bay 2019, second place. Said all the first place ones are in his workshop. But still, all these forks are awards. Mike Cock up there. Mike Cock. Poutine Feast 2019, first place right there. Windsor, about to have a first place poutine momentarily here. That's it right there. Lobster. Oh, oh, oh. Second place, Hamilton 2019. Coburg. Doorbell broken, yell ding dong really loud. Smoke him if you got him. Smoke him if you got him. Pig planter here. Little pig planter. Got another wooden fork here too. Noticing a trend. Noticing a trend on Main Street with the wooden forks. This feels quite heavy. Lobster poutine, let's unveil. Oh my. Oh my, I don't know what to make of this. You got the cheese curds, lobster. I can see the gravy in there. Fresh cut fries. Oh wow, look at that lobster. Is that hollandaise? Oh, lobster right there. Oh man. Oh my God. Just making a dent in this. I have to bring most of it home for dinner, but I'm going to tell you, it's a total tie today. Can't pick a winner. Crave, Smokin R&R's. It's the most interesting poutine I've ever had. I liked it more than their pork poutine. Look at that. Man, this is wild. Rather unreal. This fresh lobster. This is hollandaise sauce on top of the gravy and the cheese curds. My God. You cannot take any of it. They're fighting with the stringy cheese. Great fries. The gravy is very good. She's a tie today. No winner in round one of Food Truck Wars. Lobster poutine. Shrimp tacos. Yeah. Dinner's gonna be tasty tonight. Got an abandoned house over here. not far from my neck of the woods. No trespassing signs, no keep out signs, nothing like that. It's been left to sit here, abandoned. Some hockey sticks right there. Backyard. These old conditioning units here. No keep out signs, no trespassing signs. Looks like they had a pool or a pond back here at one point. Of course, the old sheds and stuff back here. That shed over there is still okay. Door is wide open here, not locked. Wow, yep, no one living here anymore. Completely rode off in here. Giant hole right through the walls. Maybe they're gonna redo this place. Definitely doesn't feel too sturdy in here. Crawl space down there. Don't want to fall through the floor here. It's definitely a decent sized place. Look at this, it's a pretty spacious room in here. Boarded up at the back. Hole right through the wall here. Don't write on my door, Jason. Nothing to really be found in here. Interesting that they just leave it here. Oh, nothing in there. Big doggy door. Figures something to come check out anyway. Basketball net up here. No net anymore. Look at this little sun on the fence. Somebody drew that. Looks like it was drawn with red marker. There's another one over here. Partial sun. Little closet doors here. There's that boarded up window at the back. Very decent sized backyard that they had here. Same with the garage. Big garage. Decent sized home. I could make myself at home there. Wonder what they're gonna do with it. Left. Abandoned, vacant. Garage got a really old skateboard. Propane thing there. It's old skateboard. Was a professional skateboard. Was a professional setup. It smells over here. This completely boarded up, an overgrown abandoned house over here. I'd covered the inside of it before. Around this time last year. I can't believe it still sits abandoned. And it's boarded up now. Just barely see in there. Not much in there anyway. Don't eat those plants. But if you go back far enough, you can see me cover the interiors of this abandoned place. There's quite a few of these houses around Stittsville. Peace without, peace within. W.J. Bell Rotary Peace Park provides multi-sensory experiences through nature and art forms. The theme Peace Without, Peace Within encourages contemplation, meditation, or simply appreciation. Friendship and reconciliation benches encourage harmony between individuals in our community and are a place for coming together. Yeah, there's a labyrinth up here. I think I've shown this before, but all the sponsors and stuff are in here. Hey, Gemma. So the Labyrinth is over here. The Labyrinths are ancient spiritual tools used for over 4,000 years in many countries and cultures all over the world. Unlike a maze, it's a single path to the center and back out. It's said that in a maze you lose yourself, and in a labyrinth you discover yourself. So before your first step, pause, breathe, and give thanks as you walk to the center. Let go of tension, listen to your heartbeat, be aware of your breathing, and quiet your mind. Gonna do the labyrinth? Something on your mind? It is meditative. It is peaceful. Once in a while I come here and do that. That's about gonna do it today. Hope you enjoyed it for what it was. Please like, please subscribe. If you're new here, subscribing to let you know when a new episode goes up. Never know what you may be missing here on the Mr. Thrasha Show. Give it a like. Tell your friends to subscribe. Check out some filming locations, roadside attractions. Plenty more to come on the Mr. Thrasha Show. Been contemplating getting back into Sons of Anarchy, watching the series again. I have the whole series on DVD. It's my season 1 DVD. Signed by Tommy Flanagan, who played Chibs. Signed it to me there. Mark Boone Jr. played Bobby. Signed twice by Chibs, actually. Met him a couple times. And Kim Coates, fellow Canadian, played my favorite character, Tig. I wish I could get Katie Sagal to sign that. I love her. Lobster poutine round 2. Leftovers. Just as good leftovers. Stuck it in the oven there. And I can eat with silverware. Makes it way easier. Look at that hunk of lobster right there. Lobby. Yeah. Or meal if you need any lobster poutine, Jim.